Did you know that many countries around the world still struggle to access proper education, medicine, and technology? These problems don't affect just one country, they affect the whole world.
To address this, the United Nations created Millennium Development Goal 8, also known as Global Partnership for Development.
MDG 8 focuses on cooperation between developed and developing countries. It encourages fair trade, access to affordable education, debt relief, and sharing of technology.
Through global partnership, countries help each other grow and improve people's quality of life.
Through global partnerships, students can access online education, communities can receive healthcare, and people can connect through technology.
As students, we may be young but we can make a difference. We can support MDG 8 by spreading awareness, promoting cooperations, and believing in unity among nations. When countries work together, everyone benefits. Global partnership is not just a goal, it's the key to a better and more equal future. Together, we build a better world.